everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I'm Zabaish Abdi and in today's video I will show you how to create a Peter Pan collar step by step. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more creative tutorials. We will start with our basic bodice block. If you have not made one yet, check out my detailed video tutorial link in the description box. So let's begin. To start, trace your front bodice block onto a fresh sheet of paper, stopping at the armhole length. Now at the shoulder, mark 0.5 cm inward. This will help us to align the back bodice block. Next, place your back bodice block onto the paper, overlapping the shoulders. Ensure the front neckline ends where the back neckline begins. Now trace the back block, again stopping at the armhole length with both the front and back neckline aligned. From the back neck depth, mark 6 cm down and then extend it outward by 0.5 cm. Join this point back to the neckline for a smooth curve of the Peter Pan collar. Now on the front side, measure and mark 2 cm down from the neck depth. This will guide us in creating the round collar shape. Using these marks, sketch a neat rounded shape for a Peter Pan collar, and once satisfied with the shape, carefully cut it out. Take another sheet of paper and fold it in half. Place the collar pattern onto the fold and trace it. After cutting the pattern, unfold it, and there you have it, your complete Peter Pan collar. Folding it helps visualize the final shape and gives a clean finish. So here I am giving it a proper shape of a Peter Pan collar. My Peter Pan collar is now ready. Let me know in the comment how you would use this collar design in your projects. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shamish Learning for more creative fashion contents. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.